Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The focus of this presentation is on the Diagnostic Trouble Code DTC C1248-92, recognized as a vacuum pump motor line open malfunction in the Honda Civic models from 2022 and onwards. This code indicates a malfunction in the vacuum pump system, essential for functions such as brake assist. Specifically, when the electric vacuum pumps lines show abnormal conditions, the control unit triggers this DTC to alert the technician of potential issues in the electrical circuitry. Understanding the vacuum pump's role and circuitry is crucial for accurate diagnosis. We'll explore the components involved, possible causes of the error, symptoms, and a detailed troubleshooting process to properly address the malfunction. Accurate diagnosis is vital, not only for vehicle performance, but also for ensuring safety while driving. DTC C1248 pertains to the electric vacuum pump and its control unit, both vital for optimal vehicle performance. The electric vacuum pump generates the vacuum pressure needed for functions like brake assist. It is typically located near the engine, often mounted on the engine bay or close to the brake booster for efficient operation. The control unit oversees this pump's functionality, monitoring both the plus line and minus line. If either line is found to be open or at abnormal levels, the control unit registers the malfunction and stores DTC C1248-92. This control unit acts as the brain, interpreting inputs from the pump, which is why it is critical to ensure the integrity of all electrical connections leading to the vacuum pump. Any discrepancies in this circuit can lead to significant operational issues in the vehicle. Diagnosing the underlying causes of DTC C1248-92 involves considering various scenarios that could lead to this DTC being triggered. One primary reason could be an open circuit within the wiring, particularly within the motor plus and motor minus lines. This can occur due to wear and tear, physical damage, or faulty connections. Another possibility includes shorted wiring, where two or more wires inadvertently connect, causing miscommunication in circuit signaling. Lastly, even if the wiring appears intact, a malfunctioning electric vacuum pump could also be the source of the DTC, as the control unit may not receive accurate feedback for its operations. Each possibility requires careful inspection to ensure the root cause is identified without overlooking any critical components. When experiencing DTC C1248-92, drivers may notice several alarming symptoms reflecting the electric vacuum pump's failure. The most significant symptom is the loss of brake assist, which can lead to decreased braking efficiency, posing serious safety risks. If the vacuum functions are ineffective, vehicle performance will likely deteriorate, affecting acceleration and responsiveness. Additionally, drivers may see warning lights on the dashboard, indicating a problem within the vacuum pump system. These symptoms cumulatively serve as a warning sign that should not be ignored, as they point towards potential safety issues. Prompt diagnosis and rectification are crucial for ensuring driver and passenger safety while operating the vehicle. The first troubleshooting step in addressing DTC C1248-92 involves performing a basic confirmation procedure to gauge the condition of the system. Begin by turning the vehicle to the on mode without starting the engine. This initializes the vehicle's electronic systems. Next, switch the vehicle to the off position and wait for at least 2 seconds to allow all systems to reset. Following this, turn the vehicle back to the on position, waiting for an additional second. This procedure helps the electric vacuum pump control unit recognize and record any existing faults, paving the way for further diagnostic checks. It is essential for ensuring that the system is ready before proceeding to the next steps, as it helps ascertain if the initial DTC data is accurate. For the second troubleshooting step concerning DTC C1248-92, it is vital to disconnect the electric vacuum pump control unit, specifically the 30P connector. This action isolates the electric pump control system, facilitating a focused inspection. Examine both the electric vacuum pump control unit female terminals and the connections for any damage, corrosion, or loose fits. The integrity of these connections is critical to ensure proper electrical signaling. It's also important to check the functional status of the electric vacuum pump itself, as any irregularities could inadvertently contribute to DTC C1248-92. Inspecting the wiring at this point is crucial, ensuring all elements are intact without any visible signs of wear that could compromise performance. The third step of troubleshooting DTC C1248-92 requires performing a resistance test on the motor plus and motor minus wiring circuits. With both the electric vacuum pump control unit and pump connectors disconnected, use a multimeter to measure resistance across each circuit. For a normal condition, there should be less than 1 ohm of resistance present, indicating that the wiring is intact and free from any breaks or opens. A higher resistance or inconsistency in readings would suggest an issue within that particular circuit. By meticulously analyzing these readings, we can determine if the cause of the error lies in the wiring or if it's pointed towards a failure within the electric vacuum pump itself. It's imperative to take proper readings to guide further actions. Once all necessary repairs pertaining to DTC C1248-92 are completed, the final verification phase is critical to confirm successful repair. Begin by reconnecting all components, ensuring that all connectors click securely into place. Next, clear the DTC using a diagnostic tool to reset the vehicle's monitoring systems. Following this, it's important to conduct a road test to confirm the vehicle's driving performance, specifically focusing on the functionality of the electric vacuum pump. This driving evaluation serves as a real-world test to ensure that brake assist and vacuum operations are restored to normal levels. Successful verification confirms the integrity and effectiveness of the repair work performed, ensuring the vehicle is safe and ready for operation. To prevent future occurrences of DTC C1248-92, regular maintenance is essential. Start by routinely inspecting the wiring associated with the electric vacuum pump. Any signs of wear or fraying should be addressed immediately. Additionally, check all connectors for physical damage or corrosion, as these can introduce problems in the system's functionality. Monitoring the performance of the vacuum pump in real time can also aid in identifying potential failures before they escalate into significant issues. Keeping these maintenance practices in place not only enhances vehicle longevity, but also ensures optimal performance, safeguarding against abrupt failures. Proactive care of these components can lead to significant savings in repair costs and improve overall safety. In summary, understanding DTC C1248-92, or the vacuum pump motor line open malfunction, is crucial for maintaining the Honda Civic's performance. By following the outlined troubleshooting steps diligently, you can accurately diagnose and rectify issues related to the electric vacuum pump system. It is essential to ensure that all connections and wiring are in good condition to avoid similar errors in the future. Additionally, practicing regular maintenance can significantly extend the life of the vehicle's components while ensuring that they operate as intended. In conclusion, thorough knowledge coupled with systematic inspection and maintenance increases confidence in addressing this issue effectively, enhancing both safety and performance. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.